I called him up. Let's see what he says. I bet he gets carried away. Oh, that was close on the line there, Jan.
Matt, what happened, mate? Would you just slow up right before the end to let me win?
Well, I didn't let you win, but the car sort of did. It just started misfiring and now I've got an engine management light. Sam, what's your excuse?
I was just having so much fun. Either it was going left, right, up, down. Eventually it went forwards and yeah, by that time Yanni was just gone. It was good.